Hey there, crafty friends. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of making your own personalized gift for someone you love? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a stunning custom mug using the Cricut Mug Press. And if you have any questions along the way or need some expert tips, just call us at the numbers on the screen. Our team is ready to help. Alright, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is open your Cricut Design Space on your computer. Once you're on the home page, head to the search bar and type Mug Design and hit enter to browse through the available options. Make sure you click on the Images tab so you can find the perfect image design for your mug. Take a moment to look through the options and pick the one that speaks to you. As soon as you select your design, you'll be taken to a new page. You'll see an Add to Canvas button. Go ahead and click that to bring your design onto the canvas. Now that your mug design is on the canvas, look over to the left side Tools panel and click on Text. Start typing whatever you'd like, a name, a quote, a fun phrase, and feel free to add extra images too, to really make it pop. Select your text, then head up to the font section in the top ribbon. This is where you can experiment with different fonts and style until it looks just right. Once you're happy with the design, select everything, both your text and your mug image, and click on Attach. This keeps all the elements locked together, so nothing shifts around during cutting. When everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Make button up in the upper right corner of your screen. On the next screen, select your material size from the drop-down menu, and this is super important. Make sure the mirror option is turned on. You need this for the design to transfer correctly on your mug. Once that's set, hit the Continue button to move forward. Now, you'll need to select Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet as your cutting material. This is specifically designed to work with the mug press for a clean, professional finish. Alright, before we jump into the next part, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a tutorial. Grab your infusible ink transfer sheet, cut it down to your desired size, and lay it flat on your cutting machine. Load the cutting mat into your Cricut machine and let it do its thing. Sit back and watch it cut. Once the cutting is complete, carefully weed away the excess material, leaving only your design behind. Pick up your coffee mug and make sure the surface is completely clean before you can apply anything. Even a tiny bit of dust or oil can affect the transfer, so wipe it down well using a lint roller. Now, carefully place your cut design onto the outer surface of the mug, positioning it exactly where you want it. Once it's in place, secure it firmly using heat-resistant tape so it doesn't shift during pressing. Go ahead and power on your Cricut Mug Press and let it begin heating process. You'll want it fully warmed up before you insert the mug. Once it's ready, slide your mug into the press and push the lever down to close it. Now, keep an eye on the indicator lights at the top of the mug press. They work just like a progress bar, lighting up one by one as the process moves along. When all the lights are lit up and you hear a beep, that means the heat transfer is complete. When it beeps, lift the lever and carefully remove your mug. Don't worry, the handle stays cool throughout the whole process, so it's completely safe to hold. Set your mug aside and let it cool down for a few minutes. Then, peel off the transfer sheet. And just like that, your very own custom coffee mug is ready to give to someone special. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.